Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to show you this. This is a custom 24-hour ration pack from the great people at Prepper Shop UK. So a great general once said that an army marches on its stomach. Now the same can be said for any bushcrafter, prepper or adventurer. So join me in taking a look at what you get in a custom ration pack from Prepper Shop UK. So why would you order a custom ration pack as opposed to a generic off-the-shelf one? Well, for a start, you're probably not with a group of 6 or 8 infantrymen with you, so you can't do swapsies. When you're out in the field, you can't afford to be fussy. Actually, you can with this. So if you don't like something, you simply order what you do like, and then when you're out in the field, you're going to have all the nutrition, all the taste, and everything that you like, just for you. So I'll talk through the options you can get, and we'll get some food going because I'm pretty hungry. So here's an example of what you can order. So this is what I ordered in particular. So you only pay for what you order and what you like. So there's nothing wasted or anything like that. So to start with, you get 3 options for main meals. So breakfast, lunch and tea, or whatever you want. So we've got a main meal here, which is pasta bolognese. Then I went for chicken, sausage and beans. Now, I opted to skip the third meal simply because there's so much other stuff. Next, you can add a side, which I haven't included here. Things like this include mixed beans, baked beans, mixed vegetables. Then you can have a snack bun. I went for the apple bun, so it's a lovely, delicious, tasty treat there. Next up, you can add sundries. So I went for tropical fruit and nut mix, roasted peanuts, and oat digestive biscuits. Yum yum. So for sundries, you get to have 4 options if you want. Next, you can add an isotonic drink powder. So this is packed full of energy, this one here. I went for lime flavour, and also you do get some hot chocolate with it as well. Moving along, you can also add some fruit explosion, very nice for breakfast or a tasty snack on the go. And you can add a flameless ration heater. But that is not all, it also comes with an accessory pack, which I'll show you now. So as I mentioned, it also comes with an accessory pack. So included with this is as part of the cost of the ration pack, is you get 3 lots of creamer. You get 6 water purification tablets, each one doing 1 litre. You get 5 packs of white sugar. You get a pack of tissues. You get a really cool MRE spork. 2 alcohol-free antibacterial wipes for hygiene purposes. 2 sachets of coffee, 2 tea bags, chewing gum, and store matches and striker. So really good value for money, I would say. And also, it does come in a bag to keep it all nice and fresh, and so you can take a little home with you. So I think we should get some food on the go. So the beauty of this kind of ration, as opposed to the freeze-dried version, is if you really hate life, you can eat it cold. So it's not likely that you're hiding from the enemy within 50 meters, so you can't cook or anything. But if you can't get a stove to work or anything like that, you can eat it cold, but you probably won't have a good time doing it. But it will keep you alive. What these rations come with though, if you order one, is a flameless ration heater. So this is really good if you're in an area where fires are banned, if it's national park or fire season or anything like that. So no flames whatsoever, and all you do is add water and it'll basically cook your food for you. So I'll show you how that works now. Okay, so every flameless ration heater does come with a full set of instructions on there. So you know exactly what to do, so you're not going to hurt yourself. Just be aware, these do get really hot, and they can burn you if you're not careful. So, but they are pretty safe, and I say, no flames, so perfect for fire ban areas. Give it a good shake. And let it do its thing. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes now. Definitely piping hot. Very hot. So the flameless ration heater really has done the trick there. So I'm going to carefully get this out and we'll get stuck in. Okay, so this pasta bolognese is now really hot. Ow. Let's get stuck in. It may not look all pretty, but trust me, it's going to taste delicious, especially if you're cold, wet and hungry. Spork. Good quality spork. That's lovely. Camera lady, would you like some?
Yes, please.
Opinions?
Delicious.
Good. Let's get this camera off and eat. So while the camera lady is still chomping what's left of my pasta bolognese, hopefully you can't hear her munching there. You can hear her laughing probably. Just want to give you a kind of little recap of the deal that Prepper Shop is offering. So it's a 24-hour ration pack. You choose what you want, you choose how much of it you want, and like I say, you pay for what you get. So you're not going to have any waste. If you've got fussy members of your family or yourself is fussy, just like me, they're going to cater for you. So pretty good. These biscuits are very nice as well. Want a biscuit?
Thanks.
So, like I say, if you're someone preparing for the end of times, or you're someone who's going out for a family camping trip, anything like that, sorry mosquito, it's a really good deal, I think, for you. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Go away. So if you're interested, please do check them out at Prepper Shop UK. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay fed, and I'll see you soon.